Hello, this is Pranay Sai. What are synonyms? A word or a phrase that means exactly or nearly the same of another word or phrase is known as synonyms. Let us understand synonyms of few important words. There are some hundreds of synonyms available, and you have to build knowledge on these synonyms by reading newspapers, magazines, etc. etc. Let's understand a few synonyms for your reference. Debilitate. The synonym of word debilitate is in the options. There might be many synonyms for each word, but among the given options, the word which expresses similar meaning to the word debilitate is weaken. So option A is the right answer. Distinguish. Here are the four options: darken, abolish, differentiate, confuse. Darken cannot be the synonym of distinguish. Abolish is also not accurate. It cannot be confused. So the right option is differentiate. This word expresses similar meaning to distinguish. So the answer is differentiate. Option C. The next word is tedious. And these are the options: painful, troublesome, lengthy, tiresome. Another word of tedious is tiresome. There are several other synonyms for tedious, but among the given options, the word which displays similar meaning is tiresome. So the answer is option D, tiresome. From this topic, he may ask you questions in this manner as well. He will give you a sentence with a highlighted word in the sentence. There are few options given where you have to trace the option which gives similar meaning to the highlighted word. Got it? Conscious efforts is the word. Let's have a look at the options. Efforts done after gaining consciousness. Is it so? So this option is wrong. Efforts made with critical awareness. This sounds more better. Let's look at the other options. Efforts done without any desire. Conscious efforts doesn't mean third option. Tremendous efforts. You might confuse between option B and option D. But option B is more related to conscious efforts. That is, efforts made with critical awareness. Another question. The given word is outset. He was warned at the outset of his career. And the options are end, beginning, middle, entrance. Most of you might have heard commentators saying the batsman has started thrashing the ball right from the outset. It means that right from the beginning. So the option is B. The answer is beginning. What are antonyms? A word or a phrase which is opposite in meaning to another word or phrase is known as an antonym. Let's understand a few antonyms now. You will be given a word with a set of options, and you need to find out the antonym of the given word. If you are asked a synonym, the synonym of paucity is scarcity. But we are looking for antonyms, isn't it? Opposite of scarcity or paucity in the given options is surplus. Yes or no? Therefore, the answer is surplus. Here is another word, onerous. The synonym of the word onerous is difficult. Now, what could be the antonym of onerous? And the option is easy. We are providing these questions just to make you understand what kind of questions are asked in this topic. Here is another question. You will be given a sentence with a highlighted word, and you need to find out the antonym from the given options. His interpretation of the poem is superficial, and the antonym of superficial is profound. Here is another question. Sanjay's point of view was correct, but his behavior with his father was quite impertinent. We can grasp the answer of few words from the statement. It is clearly evident that Sanjay's behavior with his father was something fishy or wrong. It was not respectful. So what could be the antonym of impertinent? It is respectful. This is the answer. And another type of question is, you will be given a blank to be filled. And that blank is nothing but the antonym of the given highlighted word. So the antonym of incorporate among these options is exclude. Got it? And another one. Generally, she is cautious, but you can't predict when she is dash. The blank is the antonym of the word cautious. Among these words, which word expresses opposite meaning to the word cautious? If you can observe clearly, we can find rash as the right answer. So you'll be either given blanks to be filled, which are the antonyms of the given highlighted word, or they'll directly give a statement with a highlighted word and the answer is in the options, or you'll be just given a word with a set of options and you have to find out the antonyms. Hope you had understood this.